Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the LeekaoWee leather bands. It's compatible with all Apple Watch band 38mm, 40mm, 42mm and 44mm. You have to choose between 38mm and 40mm. This is one size and the other dimensions are 42mm and 44mm. This is in my case here. I bought this because of my Apple Watch is 44mm. It's a sports hybrid leather band and it is a replacement wristband for man, woman and for your iWatch series 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and the brand new 6. It matches on all Apple Watches. Hybrid sweatproof sports leather, 3mm thick Apple Watch bands made of vintage leather with Sweatproof Black Silicone Strap, packing, and Anodized black stainless steel clasp constructed by premium craftsmanship. It's comfortable wear and durable. Skin-friendly, soft and comfortable touch feeling, made of pure silicone and flexible elastomer. Durable and soft silicone materials across our wrist. Improves airflow and comfort, bring us a comfortable wearing experience. It has a really easy installation process. The Apple Watch band leather comes with stainless steel connectors on both ends. It is convenient to lock onto Apple Watch precisely and remove easily. The new Apple Watch adapter does not require screws to connect the pin, so we do not need to worry about the watch band will separate from the adapter like other leather Apple Watch bands does. Fit the wrist size first. Fits 5.32 inches up to 7.48 inches. These are 135mm to 190mm. Or you can use 5.71 inches to 8.07 inches. These are 145mm up to 205mm, like mine wrist. It can be man's or woman's. 10 precious cutting holes allow individualized adjustment to achieve the perfect fit. And it's really easy to disassemble the attached wristband first. Turn around your Apple Watch, then push one button, push the other button and slide out the band easily, as you can see. Of course, the Apple Watch band is awesome too, good silicone material, but now it's time for leather, high quality leather. A texture strap better protects our Apple Watch. First layer is co-height, resin stretch, sweatproof and breathable. And stainless steel watch buckle. New ergonomic watch buckles comfortable wraps around our wrist. And it's waterproof and breathable. The surface layer is made of high quality leather, waterproof and breathable, and comfortable to wear. And the comfortable silicone lining is awesome too, because this will touch your skin softly. High quality silicone, soft and comfortable, increased band thickness with increased durability. And you can see it's really easy to attach. Only slide the new band back in position on your Apple Watch, and that it is how you can replace the band to another band in 5 seconds, I think. Really easy, and it's not so expensive. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.